80's is nou al meer as 2 dekades in die verlede, maar 'n poptreffer soos hierdie het van Jennifer Rush 'n ster gemaak. Na 10 jaar is sy weer terug in die Kaap om aanhangers met treffers soos hierdie en veral die ballade The Power of Love toe te sing.
'Cause I am your lady.
Hoe benader sy dan na 25 jaar haar optredes?
It depends on where I am, actually.
Okay.
Of course, I get to sing the songs with the choir, which is exciting to me. So I'm approaching that, of course, differently with using the kids. That's a lot of fun. See, it's a lot of fun when you get to change things up. I do perform a lot, and most of the time I will stay in one outfit.
Do you still feel nerves before a show?
Absolutely, and anybody tells you they don't is lying. I think you need that.
As sy terugdink aan hoe sy in die 80's gesing het haar stem wel 'n bietjie verander, sê sy.
Your voice actually gets better the older you get. So actually I sing higher and lighter, but I can't go in the ring of ice ring. You know, when you're young you can put a knife to your tongue and keep doing this, you know. It's a different voice, which I actually just noticed myself. So it does change.
As sy nie besig is met een van haar show wat 80 vertonings per jaar nie, hou sy daarvan om wel tuin te maak.
And I enjoy, believe it or not, I do have a place where I can garden in the city, and I just got to have installed automatic watering system, because it is true that when you go on the road, somebody needs to water you. So I'm looking forward to that.
And any superstitions that you have?
No. I'm sure there's neuroticism, but I don't know what those are, since they're my own.
Jennifer Rush tree op 26 en 27 April by die Kaapstad Internasionale Konferensiesentrum saam met die Nasionale Suid-Afrikaanse Jeugkoor op.